Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fall decor favorites for 2020. I have so many new things that I am so excited to share with you. If you've been keeping up, I've had I think 3 or 4 fall decor videos, and some of that stuff in those videos are new, and I just wanted to do a video on the things that I'm absolutely loving, so that in case you're looking to decorate your home, you can just pick up a few really cute items and start building up your collection from there. I've got stuff from Walmart, I have things from Target, and a couple things from Michael's, and definitely Amazon. Amazon has been a lifesaver for me in collecting fall decor items and in updating my collection already, so I am definitely going to be showing you that. And most of the products are linked below. Whatever I could find, I put for you in the description box. So as you're watching, scroll down into the description box, and then you can kind of pick out different items and see how much they are, or look at similar things for your home, things that fit your home and your budget. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to share with you is this cute little wreath that I got at Walmart. It was really budget friendly. It was only $19, and it is from the Celebrate line. And I just thought that this is a perfect item to use both for fall and Halloween. I think it has the effect of both because of the black in there. It has 2 little black birds, if you can see in there. I think they're crows. I'm not really sure what they are, but they're black birds. And then it has the black and white buffalo check. So if you have that or any other decor pieces in your home with that, I think it will kind of mesh it all together really nicely. It also has, of course, like the fall, traditional fall colors and items. So the leaves, the pumpkins, the berries. I just felt like this you could use throughout entire fall. So from beginning to end, including Thanksgiving. I just feel like this is a good piece to have as a staple in your fall collection, and that way you can put it up and know that it is appropriate for the entire season. The other items that I am absolutely loving are these amber vases from Hearth and Hand from Target, and I think this was in collaboration with the Magnolia. This vase was $19.99, and it comes in various different sizes and also different colors. So there's also, I think, a blue vase in case you have more of that theme in your home. But I feel like for fall, this was the perfect thing, and I feel like I can probably still incorporate it for other seasons. Definitely the cooler months, but for sure I'm sure I can find with white flowers or another bright color. I could probably fit it in for summer and spring as well. I paired it with just this wheat pick that I got at Walmart. This was like $2.99 over in the floral section, not in the fall decor section, but it was like in the floral section. And it's big enough to put in here and just to use by itself without it being overwhelming. But I feel like all of the Hearth and Hand collection for fall has been all about being cozy and so warm, and even the table settings all have a similar theme. And if you were to go that route, you can find so many pieces that would complement these vases, aside from just being a really cute fall decor piece. So another item that I found from Walmart, and I think this is also the Celebrate line, are these really cute cookie jar, candy jar. I don't know, you can use them for anything, I suppose. They're just glass pumpkin with this cute little lid. These were really reasonably priced. I would have to look it up, but I think that these were just $9.99 or $9.98, which is so good. I have them both in black and the white, and I'll insert a picture here so you can see them. And I'm thinking of using them as my Halloween tablescape. And if you guys want to see how I do a Halloween tablescape, give the video a thumbs up or mention it in the comment section, and I'd love to do that. I think it would be so much fun. But right now I just wanted to show you that I have this black pumpkin, and I ended up getting both the black and the white because I do have black and white buffalo check that I'm going to be showing you as placemats and place settings. So I got these two. I figured the black, you know, obviously for fall, Halloween, that sort of thing, Christmas, if you have Christmas black and white theme things, and then also the white pumpkin is just, it complements everything. So I ended up getting both since they were so reasonably priced, and hopefully I will be able to find these and link them for you below. Otherwise, you will find them in the fall Halloweenish section at Walmart. So another fall favorite, Halloween favorite, however you want to call it, are these 2 sets of roses that I found on Amazon. So you saw these in my Halloween Decorate With Me. I believe I used them when I did my entryway and my fall mantle and my family room table. So I have them scattered around the house everywhere, but you get a set of a whole bunch of black roses, and then I also bought the same thing but in purple. They come as 2 different options. I will have these linked below, and you'll also find them in my Amazon store. But I just love, for whatever reason this year, I am loving the look of just simple black foliage. I just feel like it has such an impact and so much drama, and mixed with purple or mixed with white, or even like with the traditional Thanksgiving fall colors of oranges and yellows and amber and those kinds of tones. I feel like they're so pretty. And I don't know, they're not that expensive. You get them off of Amazon. You can keep them from year to year in your storage bins. And I think that they're just so cute and just a cute little accent, especially together. I love the purple and the black together for Halloween. Another fall favorite is something really simple, and you'll find these in the Target dollar spot. Hopefully you can still find them. Are all of these cute little pumpkins. I mean, they are just so cute. I believe they were just $1. And I think I bought maybe over time, like through fall, as I would go and I'd see a few were available, I'd pick up some. And so I got so many colors in the beginning of fall, very, very beginning of fall. I got the yellow and the green and also some of the white ones. And then as we got closer into October, September, October, they started having the more spookier colors. So I got this one, and also a floral pattern, black pumpkins, more black and white. This one has kind of a web design on it that I love for Halloween. I just think that's so cute as a little accent piece. So, and they're so reasonably priced. So if you are going out to Target, check your dollar spot, see if you can find some of these. They're so reasonable, and definitely I'm going to keep these from season to season. I think that they're perfect. Sorry, I'm definitely going to be keeping these from year to year. I think I can reuse these over and over again, and they were so reasonably priced, like I said, that I couldn't pass them up. All right, my next super favorite, ultimate favorite item that I found at Target was this little mug. And if you watched my fall coffee recipes video, you'll see that I did use this video, and it just says Cuddle Buddy, and it's a fox up on the top. It's just so cute. It's like the perfect size mug. It's not too heavy. I just love the colors. It's got that white and the light brown tannish color as the accent. And I have been using this almost every day for coffee and just really love it. I love how it feels in my hand. I'm pretty picky about what kind of mugs I get. I don't like buying like the really heavy, big, bulky ones. I like them to be easy to sip on, and just a really good size so I can get an extra big cup of coffee in here. And I think that this mug is so cute, and I will have this link below. I hope that you can find it. It was such a good price. It was only $5, so I really recommend this if you're looking for a cute fall mug. All right, so the next item that I'm going to show you is from Amazon, and it is these LED remote control flicker candles. They come in a pack of 9, and I have them scattered around my house. I have them on the mantle and on my entryway table and my family room table. I use them just to create an ambiance and an effect. I like using these instead of burning candles all day long. So I think like this is perfect. Plus it comes with a little remote control that has, obviously, let me see if I can get this to focus. So the remote control has obviously the off and on power. Also, you can put it on for as many hours as you would like, and you can have it as a flicker effect, or you can have it as just like a steady flame. And you can also brighten it and dim it with the remote control. So I'm just going to show you how that works. It does take AA batteries. 2 AA batteries per candle. It does not come with the batteries. So I'll just show you here. So you click it once to turn it on, then you can click the timer and it will flash to let you know it got the timer. And then you can do candle, which will give you the little flickering effect. And then you can increase the brightness, or if you want it to be just darker and more romantic, you can lower it down really low for later on at night. So I really recommend these. This is the first year I bought a whole pack of them, and I just find that they're so easy to use. They also feel like wax. They have a waxy feel to them, so they really do look realistic and just a cute little accent piece for whatever it is you want to bring attention to, or if you just want to create that really romantic fall cozy ambiance, this is perfect for it. All right, so I mentioned earlier that I did get some table settings from Walmart, and so I'm just going to show you what I found. These are the Mainstays collection, and I just found some black and white buffalo check placemats. These also come in different colors. I did not find different colors at my store, but I did see that they come in different colors online, so you can also find these in the lighter green color or the beige check, things like that, which you could also use for different seasons if you were interested. This also, you can buy them separate or you can buy them as a set. With the set, you get a 4, I believe it's a 4 of these plus a buffalo check table runner that has the fringe on it. So it's a pretty good deal to get all 4. These separately were really cheap. I think I found them each for $1.98. And just really cute and easy to incorporate into all the different seasons. And I think it also matches. So for example, I have this, and then I also have the black and white wreath along with all of my other black and white decor for Halloween. And you can also mix and match this easily. So here it is with the black rose, which of course is gonna look nice. And then also with the purple, I think it just contrasts so nicely for Halloween. So these are easily usable. I think you can use them throughout the whole year, but especially in the fall, you can use them with the traditional colors, or you can also use them with the more Halloween colors once you start incorporating the blacks and the purples and all the the brighter oranges and maybe burgundies. I think this would be perfect for it. If you wanted to start a collection that you can use throughout the fall and possibly other seasons, I really recommend this. Plus it comes with the table runner, so I think it's really reasonable price, and it's nice quality too. So as accent pieces for Halloween, for the 2 ends of my dining table, I bought 2 of these little placemats. They're just a cute little jack-o'-lantern placemats, and I might put these on their own, and you can see how cute it is here and just so cozy, and still the orange really pops against the black and the white in this, on this tablescape. Okay, so another one of my fall favorites. This is from Amazon, and this came in a set of 3. You would have seen these in my Halloween Decorate With Me, but they're just set of 3 candle holders. I love them. They're tall and skinny. I think they're pretty for really any time of the year, but if you wanted to use them as part of your tablescape or on your mantle, I have them currently on my mantle, and I just use them with a black candlestick. I think it's so dramatic, especially the 3 of them together, and I really think they give a cute impact. So if you wanted to buy a few Halloween items, I really recommend these for that spooky vibe that you can put either on your mantle, your family table, or your dining room table, whichever one that you think you wanted to spend the most time decorating. But I really love these. They're also like they're a metal, so they're pretty sturdy, and when they come unscrewed like this, so the base comes off, and then once you get them, all you do is screw the base back on like so, and then you have just a really cute candle holder from Amazon and totally reasonably priced. So I'll have this linked below. So other fall favorites that I have right now are these wax melts from Walmart that I'm absolutely obsessed with. If you saw my fall clean and organize with me you'd see that I have a massive wax melts collection, more than a candle collection. I find wax melts to just be so easy and to switch out so nicely. I feel like it just really warms up the home. The kids are always asking me if I'm baking something or what's that really yummy smell, or if I have something in a wax melt that smells kind of like fresh, like linen, they'll always say how good it smells. They can smell it all the way upstairs. So one of the favorites that I have right now is this orange buttercream. I love this in the kitchen because it has a citrusy scent, but it also has the buttercream, like really sweet scent. And so I really recommend you give this one a shot if you're into kind of like those kinds of scents, especially in the kitchen. So this is orange buttercream cupcake from Better Homes and Gardens. I have like 3 of these. This is a new one and it just smells so good. I really recommend this one if you're into wax melts like I am. So the last items that I have are not home decor, but they are fall favorites because I discovered them at the end of the summer and I have been using them ever since. And they are the Pantene Pro-V Misbehaving Dry Conditioner Mist and the Pantene Pro-V Never Tell Dry Shampoo. I found these at Target. You can also find them at Walmart. They have the whole line at Walmart. Why can't I get this to focus? There we go. So this is a Never Tell. I have dark hair, obviously, so it's always hard for me to find dry shampoo that won't give me that white kind of gray looking hair at the top. So this one I found really blends in with my hair and does not leave that white film. So if you have darker hair like I am, brunette or a darker blonde, you might really like this one. And then I spray this Misbehaving Dry Conditioner right on the ends of my hair to keep it moisturized, and I can really get away with 3 to 4 days of not having to wash my hair with using these products. I really recommend them. I love them. They are my favorite. So I thought I would recommend them for the fall favorites in case you're looking for something like this for your own hair and you can incorporate it easily in your morning routine. So some of the other Halloween decor items that I'm absolutely loving are the 2 banners that I purchased off of Amazon, and I'll insert a clip here so that you can see them. But I have them on anchoring both sides of my front door. I think they give such impact and make such a statement, and for a really, really economical price. So if you're looking for something that will give a lot of impact but you don't want to spend that much money, add these pieces into your collection and then next year start buying more and more. And then slowly you will have something really cute to display on your front porch for fall and for Halloween both. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this fall favorites, fall decor haul. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you and say hi. I'm so glad that you're here today. If you enjoyed this video, then please give this a big thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, I would love it if you subscribed and joined my YouTube family. I will be having more videos coming up for fall, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. Let's not forget Christmas. I have a huge Christmas decorate with me coming up. It'll be on November 2nd, so right after Halloween. So make sure that you are ready for that. I'm going to give you a ton of Christmas decor ideas. It's going to be so much fun. And I also have a huge announcement on my channel that I'm going to be giving you in my next video. So make sure your notification bell is on for that and that you check the community tab so that you can see what that announcement is and get ready for that. Alright guys, it was so much fun hanging out with you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, give it a thumbs up if you did, and we'll chat in the comments, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!